The Nokia 9 Android smartphone comes up with a bunch of impressive features like superb camera, 2K display, ample storage, lag-free performance and more, making it a suitable option as your next smartphone. Water and dust-proof features make it a kind of rugged smartphone, suitable for outdoor activities. Let's take a look. The Nokia 9 will likely sport a 5.9 inches display with QHD resolution. The screen appears to be an 18 to 9 inch panel, with narrow bezels all around. The dimensions of the Nokia 9 are expected to be 155 by 75 by 7.9 millimeters. Above the screen, there's a single front camera and two sensors. If you look at the renders, you'll find there's no physical fingerprint sensor on the device. This pretty much confirms previous rumors that the smartphone will feature an in-display fingerprint sensor, a feature we've most recently seen on the OnePlus 6T. It's also likely that the device will support Face Unlock, but we can't confirm that yet. From the renders, it appears that the Nokia 9 sports a glass sandwich design with a metal frame in between. Thanks to the glass back panel, we expect the device to feature wireless charging. There's a USB Type-C port on the bottom edge, alongside a loudspeaker grill and a primary microphone. Unfortunately, the renders reveal that the device has no 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature which was also missing on Nokia's previous flagship, the Nokia 8 Sirocco. The power button and volume rocker are on the right, while the ejectable SIM card tray has been moved to the top. A secondary microphone is cleverly integrated into the antenna band on the top edge, while a third, presumably noise-canceling, microphone is located at the rear. In line with earlier leaks, the Nokia 9 renders reveal 7 rings at the back. While 5 of these are camera lenses, the 6th is a dual-tone LED flash unit, while the 7th, on the right, appears to be a dual sensor which will likely be used for proximity detection. We can't confirm exactly what the penta-camera lenses will consist of, but if we had to assume, we'd guess the setup includes a telephoto lens, a wide-angle lens and a depth-sensing camera, among others. The renders show Zeiss branding between the cameras, and while there isn't mention of Preview on the body, it's almost a given that HMD Global will revive the iconic Preview branding with the Nokia 9. As for the other key specs of the device, a recent leak indicated that the Nokia 9 will run Android 9 Pie out of the box, and judging by previous Nokia devices, you can expect a stock interface. The leaks also indicate that the phone will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, and not the upcoming Snapdragon 855 chipset, which might disappoint some users. Other expected specifications include up to 8GB of RAM, 128GB storage, a 4150 mAh battery and water and dust resistance. The Nokia 9 was initially expected to launch later this year, but it's likely that HMD Global will push the launch to early 2019. The pricing of the device isn't known as of now, but we can safely assume this will be the most expensive Nokia flagship yet.